House Calls, sponsored by Roper St. Francis Healthcare.
Have you ever thought about how your health relates to the health of your family? With some tips on family health maintenance, here's Dr. Julia Isom.
Some factors that we look at with family health maintenance are what's their diet like? What kind of activities are the family members or family as a whole doing? We also look at genetics. We want to know what illnesses or diseases run in the family. Examples of this can be colon cancer, breast cancer, high blood pressure, heart disease. The ultimate goal with family health maintenance is to try to help our patients live healthier, longer lives with the family unit at the center of that.
For more information, call 843-402-CARE or visit rsfh.com. I'm Angela May for House Calls.
House Calls, sponsored by Roper St. Francis Healthcare.